Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Salsabila Robi Khairun Nisa, you will be the last contender that joining our today's test is depends. Yeah, and then
Ya,
I hope you are going to be able in giving the clear kind of answer based on your complete thesis. Yeah, and then I'm the one that's gonna share the screen, and then you may start explaining your first, second, third, fourth, and then fifth chapter of your thesis. Best of luck. Come on.
oke. Hmm, oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I want to explain my research, and the title is Student Perception on How Mobile Learning Improves Student Reading Comprehension. The first chapter, the background of the study. English now has become passport for better career, better pay, advanced knowledge, and communication with the entire world. Therefore, Indonesian government has chosen English as foreign language and fundamental subject in Indonesia educational system. And there are four skills in English, including reading, listening, writing, and speaking. And reading is how has to learn to improve their knowledge. And according to Youth 2014, reading is a central means for enhancing new information and obtaining access to alternative explanation and interpretation. Then technology now plays important roles in enhancing and facilitating English learning, English language learning. Because with the assistance of the technology, the process of student improve reading skill are easy to access. Um, One of technology that is become popular is mobile learning, and based on the background, the researcher intends to find out the perception in improving their reading comprehension. The focus of the problem is only identifying the process of the student in mobile learning in improving their reading skills. The limitation of the problem in this study is how the junior high school responds to the mobile learning. The mobile learning is effective skill. Uh, Technique and is teacher and lecture
Bella, you should work on your
and
internet
other
connection, please, because you were talking not clear enough.
uh, pardon, Mister.
Okay, come on, proceed, please.
Oh, next chapter, Mister. Chapter, okay, the literature review. Reading Harmer 2015 explained that reading is an activity by involving eyes to catch message and information by reading the text and and processing information so some knowledge is enhanced. When the readers read, they will find some information available in their brain to matching the new information. Teaching and learning activity is certainly require a fun learning atmosphere and appropriate learning method so the student can follow the lesson well, and of course understand the learning topic. Understand the learning topic and talk about the learning method. In this era of technology, the teacher must develop the learning method with the use of the technology. Due to the pandemic COVID-19 that has been limited the learning and teaching activity for student and teacher, almost teacher in Indonesia use the alternative learning method, that is mobile learning. Mobile learning make the learning and teaching activity easier because can with only small tools like mobile, the student and the teacher can do the learning activities easier. Next, Mr. Next step. Okay, the research design. In this research, the researcher used descriptive qualitative because the researcher want to describe the situation transparent. In the data collection instrument, the first, the research is observation. In this observation, the researcher is only join the online class, so the researcher can observe the learning and teaching activities, and the interview that related to English teacher, and each teacher will be asked by 5 questions, and the last is questionnaire. And the questionnaire is including 15 questions. The will be the 15 questions about the mobile learning in improving reading comprehension. Okay, next, Mr. Sorry. Okay, the result of observation. Based on the observation, the researcher conclude that actually the student is interested to the online class. It can be seen when the student respond to the question from the teacher, but it is only just read the text without understanding the main idea of the text. Okay, the result of the interview. Based on the interview, the teachers do the different strategy in each class, and the student is also give their different response to the strategy. And the result of the questionnaire, based on the questionnaire, including 15 questions, and the point of the answer is number 1 to 4. The number 1 means strongly disagree, and number 4 means strongly disagree. In this questionnaire, can be seen that a student is interested to the online class. Next, Mr. The suggestion and conclusion. The first is the conclusion. The researcher found that actually the student is interested to the online class, but the online class is not most the online class is not more effective than the offline class. And the suggestion for teacher, student, and researcher, please take the advantage of mobile learning, because if the mobile learning is done by a perfect ways, it can be more interested and fun, Mr. That's good.
It's enough, Bella?
Oh, enough, Mr.
Okay, I'm not gonna start with your first slide with the title, but I'm gonna focus on your result of the research. Yeah, let's try to have a look at your finding. Yeah. Okay, this will be the finding of your research. You're mentioning three types here. The first, based on the observations. Second one, it is the result of the interview. And the last one, the result of the questionnaire. The result of the observations. How did you make the observation here, and until you come with the conclusion as the result for your research? Bella.
I do the observation by joining the online class.
Okay, and then?
And the Google Meet and Google Classroom, Mister. And based on my observation, it can be seen that student is not too active in this class, and the teacher is also not active to ask the student to read the text, Mister. In the observation.
Okay, second one about the interview itself. Come on, what is it? What kind of interview? It is a structured kind of interview, or it is a semi kind of structure of interview? Come on.
Some semi-structure. It's open-ended question.
Okay, and then the result of the interview. Can you try to explain it?
The result of the interview, the teacher gives different strategy in each class because the student mood in learning is different in different class. So they do the strategies is not formal strategies, Mister. They just follow the student mood in class.
Okay, last question for you. The result of questionnaire here. What is it? Can you explain it more, detail more about the result for the questionnaire that you shared? Come on.
The questionnaire is including 15 questions, Mister. But it's categorized into three. The first is
okay, I'm not asking about the detail for the questionnaire that you deliver, but my question, the result of it, please. Come on.
Okay, the first is student interesting in English class. The second is student interesting in reading, and the last is the response of student in online class. Based on the questionnaire, it can be concluded that the students are interesting to the class, and they more interesting when the teacher asking a question about the text, Mister. After they read the text, the student more interested if the teacher is asked about the text that they before.
Okay, Bella, I guess it should be enough for your thesis defense, and then you can come for the revision. You may bring your complete thesis, and then we are going to discuss more what kind of deep revision that you have to create for your thesis. Okay, Bella? You may come tomorrow or 3 days from now. That should be okay. Yeah? Thank you very much, Bella, for joining the thesis defense. Let's close our thesis defense here by reciting Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And then the last, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Bella.
Thank you so much, Mister.
Okay, peace out.